Hello everyone, we're going to do something a little bit different tonight. We're going to do a Shining Fates booster pack opening. Here we go. Card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning Energy. Oh, Grass. Okay, here we go. Grass. Troopus. Eldegoss. Rotom. Grookey. Horsey. Coughing. That Ascension move's good. Shinx. Spinarak. Datrix for the Holo Rare. And a Cinderace V. Nice. Good pull. Hope you enjoyed this. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and maybe we'll do a couple more of these. See you later.